Hey guys, Dominic Nesci here for another high quality production of Whiteboard Wednesdays. Talk to you about rental yields. Definition: the return on investment as a percentage of the amount that you've invested. So, in very simple English, imagine you bought a $500,000 property and you've received $500 rent per week. Now, I've tried to just make a nice round numbers. I've assumed that we didn't get rent for 2 weeks. So $25,000 in income. You get $25,000, you divide it by the total amount invested, that gives you 5%. Now that's your 5% gross rental yield. Now when you're doing your calculations, that's important, but you want to know what your net yield is. How much rent or how much cash do you receive after you've paid for your costs? So in this instance, I've put $5,000 worth of costs, which actually isn't that much. That's your rental management fees, insurance, just all your bits and pieces, your repairs and stuff. So you get your $25,000, you minus it by $5,000, you're left with $20,000 net rent. So you get $20,000 divided by the total amount that you've invested, so that's $500,000, and then you're left with a 4% net rental yield. Now this is important because you might be allured to a property because you see that it's got a 7% or an 8% gross rental yield, but then it's important to factor in what are the costs associated with it running this property and what I'm going to be left with after all those costs. So the net rental yield is really what matters to you. Well, that's rental yields in a nutshell. Any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Like, share with all your friends, and hope that's helpful. Talk to you all soon.